When you design a package, there is also a required information you need to incorporate into your design, and you have to work around it. For example, you have to include the Universal Product Code, the UPC barcode, and it has to be a sufficient contrast between the barcode and the background so it can be successfully read. There also needs to be what it's called a quiet zone, especially to the left and the right of the bars. And there should be enough room above it as well. But it must important left and right. Because of that, you often see a barcode in a white rectangle, so it can be easily read. Often you have to include legal information, such as safety and health cautions, or country of origin, and the intended of use. And if it is food, it has to include nutritional information. You can go to FDA website and see all the requirements, including the requirement for minimum type size. And there is a lot of stuff you have to put in. You have to provide space for all the nutrition information that include, and ingredients of course in order of weight, best if used by date, any allergy and diet information. For example, if there is a nuts, you have to include that. And if the product is manufacturing in facility that handling nuts, even if that product don't have nuts, you should have include that information as well. And sometimes you should include a positive message, such as if the product is gluten-free. That actually a good news. And you have to include any notification that the product is kosher or halal certification. And again, this is also a positive information for the consumer who's looking for a product that meet those needs.